Isaac Newton's apple tree story is a famous anecdote that illustrates his discovery of the law of gravity. According to the story, Newton was sitting under an apple tree in his garden when he observed an apple falling to the ground. This simple event led him to ponder the force behind the falling apple, eventually leading to his groundbreaking insight into the universal law of gravity. Newton realized that the same force responsible for the apple's fall was also at play in the motion of celestial bodies, providing a key foundation for his work in physics. The law of gravity, formulated by Sir Isaac Newton, states that every mass attracts every other mass in the universe with a force proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. This force is known as gravitational attraction and is responsible for the motion of planets, stars, and other celestial bodies. In simple terms, objects with mass are drawn toward each other, and the force of attraction increases with the masses of the objects and decreases with the distance between them. Newton's first law states that every object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line, unless compelled to change its state by the action of an external force. This tendency to resist changes in a state of motion is inertia. Example of Newton's first law: 1. Car at a stoplight. 2. Ice skating. 3. Soccer ball at rest. 4. Swinging pendulum. 5. Space travel. 6. Roller coaster. Newton's second law of motion states that F pa ma, or net force, is equal to mass times acceleration. A larger net force acting on an object causes a larger acceleration, and objects with larger mass require more force to accelerate. Watch this question, and you can understand second law of Newton's third law, action and reaction. His third law states that for every action, force, in nature, there is an equal and opposite reaction. If object A exerts a force on object B also exerts an equal and opposite force on object A. In other words, forces result from interactions.